Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find where the trailer lights, fuses and relays are located on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. You'll have to check multiple fuses, relays. Also, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So guys, let's go ahead and explain where you can find the trailer, lights, fuses and relays. We will demonstrate on this generation GMC Sierra that we have here. By the way, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the different hidden fuse boxes all over that GMC Sierra. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money. We need to go ahead and open the hood guys. Lucky for us, we work in a fuse box that's easy to get to and most people know. That fuse box, when you open the hood, is on the driver's side. You see, that's the main engine fuse box. That's a brake fluid reservoir. It's right next to it, facing the engine on the right side. Open the cover and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, for the trailer lights, let's go ahead and explain what we need to check. Multiple fuses. This specifically is a 2018 model fuse box. They switched to a new design fuse box in 2018. 2014 through 2017 they use a different fuse box. We will explain about that as well. So let's start now guys. Okay, let's zoom in and first explain for 2018 model. Here what we need to check specifically for that, we're talking about guys fuse number 14, fuse number 15 right here, 16 and 17. You see these 4 fuses, they're very important fuses for the trailer lights guys. Another thing that you will need to check is relay 64 guys. We're talking about that relay right here. These 4 fuses and the relay next to it. If you have a 2014 through 2018 and 17, 2014 to 2017 model, you still need to check guys. Okay, fuse number 14, 15, 16, 17, but that relay this time, okay, this time is relay 63 and on the other one was relay 64. The location will be the same, okay, but for 2014 through 17 that's relay 64, excuse me, and for 2018 is relay 63. If you need to find where the trailer, brake controller, fuses and relays are located, we have the video on the channel for any of you needing help with that as well. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend, guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.